Hello, people. Welcome to the Foundational Infrastructure Working Group meeting. The agenda, open PRs, and other things people might want to discuss. Is there anything else that people want to discuss? Maybe we can do that first. Okay, let's go for the open PRs then.
I have only one issue currently. That's with Bosch, but with the Garden Run C, and I don't know who is responsible for that. That's not this working group, right?
No, that's a working group. App runtime platform. So that's Garden Containers, which is done by these people.
I will get a hold of them.
Yeah, well, a little bit less activity than last week. This week, I guess. Yeah, let's go over the open PRs. Pending merge. I think this one still needs approval from Benjamin. The Azure CPI.
Oh, right. Okay, I need to have a look at that, right?
Okay. Yeah, once you approve, then we can merge this. This one has been open for a while. No activity. Let's wait for the stale bot on this one because I think we spent enough time. And that, unless someone thinks otherwise. Oh, nice. So this is the same that Benjamin did a while back, right? But then for Azure.
Yeah, this would open, yes, native disk resize for Azure, indeed, as it seems.
Nice. Okay, so there's Joseph and Long are reviewing this one. So I think we just need to wait a bit for this one.
Yeah, we had some findings on the, I think, AWS one regarding which states you need to wait, but most probably this is different on Azure. We will not bring any.
Yeah, I haven't checked that. But yeah, there was a speed up, right, at some point by
Correct,
just waiting
yeah.
for not waiting for it to be fully deleted.
Yeah.
Or not just resize. It could do a part of it in the background, basically.
Yes, yeah.
Could be maybe good to post that context here. But I mean, then you would need to check.
I will post it. Yeah.
Okay, good. I saw that the issue that was created originally has been closed. Oh no, it's been opened again. Oh, it's been marked by the stale bot. Again. So I'm not gonna remove this because I mean, in the end, it is working for everybody else except for SoftLayer. All the work has been done. It's just them not testing this. So I mean,
Mm.
I don't know what we could do more at this point, right?
Yeah.
And if they have time in the future, they can always open it, reopen it again if this gets closed. I know it's, but I mean, like, we have done everything, right? We've reached out here, there. There's a pull request. There's stuff. I mean, or would you say we should just merge it as is without testing? I mean, that also feels strange.
Well, the unit tests are covering the feature quite nicely.
Mm-hmm.
It would be weird to match without real tests. Indeed.
Does it provide
Uh,
value for other ISs?
No, it's on it has only an impact on soft layer.
Even if it's closed, right? The PR, the code still stays there. So if they come back, we can revive this.
Yeah, we don't have any answer. We're not having, for 4 weeks roughly.
Yeah.
I've pinged Donatello twice during the last 3 weeks. Yeah, and no answer.
Yeah,
You could also always close it and suggest that they join this call to discuss.
yeah, we have had like discussions with them. No, but I mean, like, this PR was created by Benjamin to fix an issue that was raised by SoftLayer, but they have not tested this fix. They
Mm.
haven't confirmed if this fixes their issue or not,
But
and it's not fixing anything else. So I mean, if they are not
It is
going to
the-
use it, then
yeah, it seems they are allocating low budget on SoftLayer, and the workaround they've come up with is to pin the agent on the stem cells. So maybe they are just fine with this agent version pinning.
yeah,
Or maybe I'm reaching Donatello through Slack. Maybe he's not coming back. Maybe I should find some other way to pin him.
I think I even reached out to the other person from IBM that was working with him, or I don't know, maybe it was his manager. So there was also no response there. So I think it's we'll just wait for them to do stuff now. This one I will ping. I have a meeting about this actually Friday. Not about this PR specifically, but yeah. So this is still ongoing. Is this approved? No.
No, I didn't have time. Yeah, you
That's
get
fine.
sick from time to time.
Yeah, I mean, life happens. But are you okay still reviewing this, or should we reassign it? Or
I will have time tomorrow or beginning of
Okay,
next
that's
week.
fine.
I just needed to catch up with all things inside.
yeah, that's fine. Yes, this was a really small change that I made a while ago. Benjamin, this is still waiting for an approval.
Oh,
I think we discussed it last week.
okay. 23:58, right?
But yeah, we don't have to wait for that now. If you do that, approve it, then I will merge it later. Or review it. I mean, you don't have to approve it. You can also ask for changes. Yeah, we have another 3.1, Ruby 3.1 for the OpenStack CPI. This is also waiting. same story. Yeah, this is an interesting one. This is new. I think we haven't discussed this last week because this came in a few days ago. I've actually paired a bit on this one with Konstantin. So yeah, this is a continuation of the whole trying to block nets for everything except for the Bosch agent. And yeah, the last few attempts that were in Stem Cell Builder failed, and they weren't even looking at doing it for Windows. And this is now the third attempt, I think, and I'm just implementing it in the agent. And this is the first of 2 PRs. This has the Windows implementation of this. So it yeah, blocks traffic. The reason for wanting to do it in the agent is because last time we did this, we found that you have to wait a bit before you know the message bus URL. It first needs to set up some networking on the instance, then it's able to query the metadata service to get that information, the user data, and then it knows the message bus. So yeah, there was a lot of waiting, and that was not working, and then there were issues. So by putting it in the agent, we know it. We have more control over the correct place where we put this in the bootstrap sequence. So we know that all the networking and stuff is in place, and then it applies these rules.
Is it something you can configure, or is it applied every?
I think currently it is applied everywhere. So you're suggesting we should maybe do it through a Bosch and opt in.
I don't know how. What is the risk here? I can. You had quite many issues with the alt implementation. Maybe this one is good enough that we don't have any issues with that, and yeah, then we can have it enforced. Just in case we think that it's high risk to get issues, maybe you can make it configurable.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Could you respond to the issue, to the open pull request with that concern? I think that is a valid concern. Yeah. That's all. No, now we can go to the issues. Last time we checked was the 10th. So this at least came in. Or, oh no, we actually already responded here. Yeah, so they still have to get back to us.
Yeah, that's the SAP Felix issue.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what yeah, I responded there. So those are just my responses, I think, on the 10th. Can check. Yeah, still me. Yeah, I will do an investigation here. I will assign myself here because I think it needs some more digging.
I think it just needs a test. Like, does it? If we remove it, yes or no? What happened?
Yeah, I just want to find if I can like maybe look in the commit history, try to find the history why it was like even required in the first place. I will do that. Yeah, this was the one from Stalebots. Okay, yeah, that's still being worked on.
Yeah, I don't have an Azure environment available, so I cannot pick this up.
Yeah, so I think this has been, yeah, Connie is working on this. I think he's currently working on jammy stuff every Friday. So tomorrow we might get an update. Yeah, I think that's it. So anybody has something else they want to discuss?
Nope.
Finally, the jammy builds are green again, but
Hey,
Nice.
nice.
Yeah. Congrats.
so
When do we get a new? When are you gonna publish a new one?
yeah, so it's now finally green again. So I can now finally merge that into the 1x to the 0x branch, and then we can create another alpha build.
Nice. So that will be this week.
Whenever we want. I was basically waiting until they had the feature freeze, so that we have something that we could just.
Okay.
This is
When is that?
basically should be in March.
Okay.
The beginning of March.
I mean, if we
But
have
I
a
can
green
also
build
just
now, we
release
could,
now a new one.
yeah, because it's green, right? It's good. Yeah, it's closer
Yeah,
to the
it's
feature
good.
freeze at least.
I will do it tomorrow.
That's good.
Then
Okay.
they at least see that there is someone is being that someone is working on it.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to have some activity. I think that's good for the community. I mean, work was put in to get it green, right? Might as well put it on Bosch.io so people see that there's still stuff going on. Okay, thank you all for joining. It was a short call today. But...
Thank you, Ruben.
See you later.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.